Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your display name on Deribit.com account. First of all, launch open any web browser on your computer and in the URL box type in Deribit.com and search. Now you'll end up in the official website for Deribit. Make sure that you are logged into your account, and once you are in, go ahead and click on the human icon at the top right corner and click on Account Settings. On the Account Settings page, look for the username and then enter a new name you want to change to. After entering a username, click on Confirm and you have successfully changed your username on Deribit.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.